This life is very difficult life. Don't open up yourself for people anyhow. That's what they say. Close some access to your destiny. If your access to your destiny is too much, they will manipulate you and take you out of God. Close me. The last some of you disappointment, you say you are disappointment. Ladies, let me teach you. I'm very old. I'm not a baby. I can tell you, there are some men, they have their wife proposal somewhere because of the milk in your body. Come and stand up. If you look at me, this person deceiving you has a woman. You already told him to introduce yourself. Man, salute to me. Yeah, don't introduction. You come to God and say, hey! I'm ready for Italy. Hey! Because of your pinnacle and your tukusa. What are you going to do? Your pinnacle and your tukusa. It makes you look at me, sir. Pinnacle, this pinnacle is tukusa. Sir. Look at me. Somebody give me this to me. This is the place that just listening to. They make you to many ladies they don't to me. They have introduced their wife in the village. They came to look at Jack, Pinnacle, and Tukusa. They want to settle themselves before they turn back to be. I'm promising I will marry you. And you cannot run to your prophet. Is this one true? A lady I brought 3 men from me, one from London, one from Port Harcourt. No one is approved. One from London have 2 children, and they proposing a man in Nigeria. Be careful about Facebook marriage. Some ladies, not only make you to lady. Let me come and say, balance your message. Some ladies have already engaged. But when they see a man with no Vembusa, what do you call that Vembusa they are driving? Or is it Zorosa or Rosa? I don't drive for 5 years now. I don't drive. Now buy me motor. So, hear this one. Let me hear this. Some men with women are head down. When you got that city, oh, stand up. Who is this? I'm a teacher. Start. That's what. Pipi. What is Pipi now? The Pukusa you keep in the village, and the one you keep in Port Harcourt is there. Because you don't come to Lagos now. See, you see another Pukusa. I must. Somebody say I must. The only way because he knew you are looking for her. That is where we come. He wait to finish. This one due for marriage. Because he says, hey, you want to marry? He said, yes. It's because of you. That's why I come to live. So let me tell you. Tell me what he's looking for. What do I say just now? Pinakusa. Atukusa. Once you don't take your Pinakusa, Atukusa, the next phone call is business.